Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm ecstatic to be sharing the Stickii Club mail that I have in front of me because I've been waiting for this since the start of December, and with all the different Royal Mail strikes and everything, it's just finally landed on my doorstep, so I'm super excited. Now, full disclaimer before I do crack into this, I am a Stickii Club ambassador, which means you can save $5 with the code Strudels Doodles. I will leave the link and the code below so you don't get the spelling wrong, which means that you can save $5 off your subscription, which is normally $12, so that takes it down to $7, plus $1 to $3 shipping depending on where you are in the world, which is an amazing value for what you get. Now, even if you pay full subscription price at $12 with the shipping, I pay $3 because I'm UK. That's $15, which works out to about £12.44. That's amazing for what you get, because these sheets retail on their own between £3 and £3.50, which is just ecstatic. Right, I'm going to delve in. Now, full disclaimer too, this was sent to me free because I am an ambassador, so I wanted to share that with you. This is a pass kit called Keeping It Cool. Now, you can get pass kits in the shop, which is great, because if you've missed a kit, or you simply want another kit and you forgot about it, or you find something in the past that you really like, you can just delve into the shop and grab it. So I have already opened it, but I haven't looked at it because I just wanted to check which kit it was, because I'm waiting on quite a few. So we're going to delve into this. Keeping it cute. I don't know why I called it Keeping It Cool, but hey ho. So every subscription, let me just zoom out a little bit more. Every subscription kit comes with one of these folio pockets, which is absolutely fantastic. It means it fits into any A5 ring binder, 6 rings, so you can keep them all in one place. Then, as standard, actually I should keep that back just to show you an example. As standard, you get the whatever the kit's called, little triangles. Now these are to take off and put in the corner, so that when you are flicking through your kits, you know what's what. So in here we have this little cute duck. I want to call him a duck. He's a bird with a long carrot nose. He's cute. This is a rubber stamp. Each month is different. It's just really sticking back in there. Then we have a things to do notepad with this little fox, chubby fox with some recycling, and there it is. It's by Foxy's Cart. You can find all the different illustrators and everything. They're all credited on the sticker sheets too. Now inside this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of stickers. Okay, so first up we have these cute little birds, which is the same little bird that's in the stamp, I think. Yes, because it's the same person there. He's cute. I like him. He's like going on holiday. He's fell over and hurt himself. These are really cute, and I love the fact they're transparent too, because I'm really into transparent stickers at the moment. Now this is why I chose this kit, because of this sheet, because I thought these foxes were so cute, and because spring is coming up soon, I hope, because winter's just awful. They would be great for my journaling and great for doing my spring cleaning around the house and deep cleans and stuff. So I thought that would be really kind of cool. Then I like this sheet because it's got the little tomato and like coffee, and this is like little memo pads, and they're not memo pads, but they're like memo pads, so they look like a memo sticker because they're die cutted, which I really like. Then we have this sheet, which is all different little meals, and you've got like little foods and drinks and spoons, knives and forks, pepper, drinks, like I can't think, my words are failing me this morning, strawberries and fruits and vegetables and things like that. I thought that was really nice, and because they're see-through, that's great. Then we have this sheet, which has like a farmer's market feel to it, and we've got a coffee shop, fruit and vegetables, which is great going into the new year because I really need to start eating healthily, so those will help me. Then we have this sheet, which is like, I'm a bit confused at why this sheet's in here. I don't actually know if this sheet's supposed to be in here. Hang on, because I am going to check on this, because it looks to me like it is a Halloween sheet. But I could be wrong, you know, I mean, you can use, no, it is supposed to be in there. So this is like a Halloweeny sheet, because this bunny has, well, witch's costume and witch's hat on. So this has a like almost holographic sparkly. It's hard to capture in the light. I'm trying to get it to show, but it's really difficult to. But yeah, so I'm not entirely sure about that sheet. It might grow on me in time. The next sheet, I absolutely love this. This is just my aesthetic, totally. It's cute. It's kawaii. It's just, yeah. Fat Factory. That is a mouthful. Fat Factory. This is by. They're really cute. I'm going to have to check those out on Instagram, because I would like some more of those. Which is great, because you can follow these people if you like their designs and stuff, which I just think is amazing. Then the last sheet that we've got is these stamps. Now I really like these because they're all food related, but then they have like the stamp like 20 cents. I mean, I know I'm not in America, but it doesn't matter. It's a stamp. You can tell it's a stamp. So yeah, I just like the designs of these. I think they're really super cute. So when you look at this in a grand scheme of things, and even if you said these were £3 each sheet, which they sell for in the UK, so that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, that's £24 straight away, and you're paying £12.44, including postage. So just alone in stickers, you've got double the amount, which is fantastic. So I really, really like this, and I think this one, and this one are my favourite sheets out of this kit. So I will obviously be using these in my journal. So if you follow me at Strudels Doodles on Instagram, you'll be able to see what I do with these soon. Thanks for joining me today, and I will be back with another sticky mail soon. Bye!